Do you think you are learning programming language? You can go just search in Google freeCodeCamp.org, and this is the website is the most popular. Just get started and continue with Google and click your Gmail account. Here we go, menu, and this is your profile. So okay, just see my profile. It's my profile, and this is your topic here, and many topic in this website you can learn. Just you can see this top one, like responsive web design certificate with you can finish this course and you can get a certificate. And this website is step by step, you can learn basic to advanced. I think you can more easily for learning have it in this website, and when you are complete this step by step learning, you can get a certificate. And in this here one section is for certificate project you can do, and you can get the certificate. And another topic in this website like JavaScript algorithm and data structure, and this is the second front-end development for React. Yeah, this is the most popular website for learning programming language. Sure, I can share with you the second is Codecademy. And yeah, Codecademy is the most biggest platform. Another topic in this website, you can learn everything here, basic to advanced. And another thing like computer science and data structure algorithm, and so many people in here, like 50 million learner. So you can second thing for learning website, you can choose which one you can learning your experience to easy to why learn. And the most common and popular website is the basic W3 school. It's the most popular website in the world, and you can see another topic in this website for learning best way JavaScript, HTML, and another thing. You can just click any topic here, and it's a little bit topic and discuss more. You can think and get to know easily, and you can see their listed topic is too important learning to your working project. That's why you can do easy here and try it yourself. Click here and you can practice your code here. You can just type hello. When you code writing there, and you can run button here and see the pop-up site right side in this code showing here, so you can practice in this website to easily to run. Thank you for so much this video watching here, and you can do any topic to next time. See you again. Subscribe more video here.